Hi, I'm Joico brand ambassador Larissa Love. Today I'm going to show you how Joico's changing everything about the way we fight damaged hair. With a new breakthrough you have to see and feel to believe. Defy damage. To enter this virtual world, you have to wear this Google Cardboard headset. So let me show you how to set it up. To open the headset, start by carefully tearing along the perforation. Gently fold all the visible creases. You'll notice it pops up into a rectangular box. Fold the Joico flaps back, then take the top flaps and fold them over the Joico flaps and tuck into the box. Once the cardboard headset is ready, pick up your phone and go to joico.com/DTVR on your browser. Press play and place your phone into the cardboard headset, then pull the elastic band over the hook to secure it. I hope you enjoyed our virtual world. Thanks for watching.